Hey everybody, it's Ryan. If you're looking for a webcam like this video just might be for you. So this company sent this to me, wanted me to kind of give an idea of what all comes with this 1080 webcam with microphone, how easy to set up, and all that stuff about it. But no way whatsoever that's being provided to me affect this review because I'm just here to keep it real. So some things that you get this assembly. This is a separate little tripod, sort of a desk mount tripod that screws into the provided base. You get one but two of these privacy lens covers, and they just stick on. Here is another one. You have about 4 feet worth of cable that is connected to USB. And this mount does pretty much any configuration that you need. So it swivels 360, also has a tilt, as you can see right there. This mount here that would connect over a laptop, I'll share in a sec, goes over this kind of pretty much allows for any kind of configuration of kind of hanging on a bracket or the monitor screen. This also could be sat flat on a table, and then some additional stuff from just pretty much all these extra little things here that will allow it to mount nice and neat. Comes with a power light, a green light letting you know the camera's on. There is a built-in microphone right here, and as mentioned, the resolution is 1080p HD. So HD resolution. When it's plugged in, is pretty easy to use. Pretty much plug and play. Drivers and all that stuff connect automatically. Very, very cool. And the resolution is kind of what you would expect, 1080. So high resolution. From an example standpoint, this is just connected to a online streaming service. So you can see it connects to pretty much, I would assume, any and all softwares that would use a USB connected device. I'm going to show how this can be mounted. Again, from a tabletop display, this would screw in. These legs can be folded out, and then it could literally just be set down just like this and configure it exactly where you need it. You can use this when not in use and then pop that on. This is connected to the laptop in this example, kind of just showing how things work. Very, very cool. If wanting to have this mounted on an actual back of a monitor, it has a lip right there. It's where it can be put on there and just placed perfectly to stay exactly where you would need it. Very, very cool and convenient. And again, it has a bunch of different options from how you want to have this configured based on, let's just say, the thickness of the monitor screen. And so really you can kind of put it on there, grip it, get it positioned just nice and convenient. And this spot right here allows for placement on the back of the monitor. So this would hit flush, this would go there, and then you would tilt the monitor or tilt the camera exactly where you want it. So it can pretty much do exactly what you hope it will do. Hopefully this answers any and all questions you have about this very convenient, very easy to use, high definition 1080 resolution camera webcam with the security cover. And we'll talk to you soon.